Listen up, you lot. We all know the saying, you are what you eat. But what does that really mean when it comes to your health? Today, we're diving into evidence-based tips for developing healthy eating habits that can transform your life. Whether you're looking to feel better, boost your energy, or finally get rid of that stubborn belly fat, these simple, science-backed strategies will set you on the right path. From meal planning to portion control and nutritious recipe ideas, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be cooking up a storm that's good for you and tastes amazing. Listen, you want to eat right? You need a plan. That's where the plate method comes in. Half your plate needs to be fruits and vegetables, vibrant colors, crisp textures. Next, lean protein, a quarter of your plate. Chicken, fish, beans, lentils. Finally, whole grains for energy. Brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread. Keeps your meals balanced and nutrient-rich. Your health journey starts with a balanced plate. Now, let's talk about portion control, you lot. You see that massive plate you're used to piling high with food? Bin it. Get yourself a smaller one. A smaller plate makes you think you're eating more than you are. Sneaky, right? This simple switch can reduce calorie intake without you even noticing. It's about making smarter choices, one plate at a time. Listen, snacking doesn't have to be the enemy. It's all about balance, you see. The 80-20th rule, that's your new mantra. 80% of the time, your snacks need to be nutrient-dense powerhouses. Think fruits, veggies, nuts, yogurt, foods that fuel your body and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now, for the remaining 20%, well, even a chef deserves a treat now and then. Indulge a little. Have that piece of dark chocolate, enjoy a small scoop of ice cream. But don't go overboard. Yeah, moderation is key always. Evidence shows that this approach, this mindful eating with the occasional treat, leads to better long-term success. You're not depriving yourself. You're not restricting yourself. You're simply making smart choices most of the time. It's like running a marathon, yeah? You can't sprint the whole way. You need to pace yourself. Those little treats, those are your water breaks, your moments to recharge and refocus before you get back on track. Right. Let's talk meal planning. I know, it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But trust me on this one, it's your secret weapon in the fight for a healthier you. Research shows that planning your meals in advance leads to better food choices and stops you from reaching for that takeaway menu when hunger strikes. Think of it like this. You wouldn't go into battle without a strategy, would you? Meal planning is your battle plan. It takes the guesswork out of healthy eating. Set aside some time each week, maybe Sunday afternoon, to plan your meals, chop your veggies, cook your grains. Get everything organized and portioned out, ready to grab and go. And the best part? You'll always have a delicious, nutritious meal on hand. No more last-minute dashes to the supermarket. No more settling for unhealthy takeout because you're too knackered to cook. You'll be organized, in control, and ready to conquer your health goals. Now, who said healthy food has to be bland and boring? Certainly not this chef. We're going to spice things up, literally. Herbs, spices, citrus, these are your new best friends. They add flavor, zest, and a whole lot of goodness without the extra calories. Did you know that evidence shows adding herbs like basil, garlic, and turmeric can not only enhance the flavor of your dishes, but also provide anti-inflammatory benefits? So go on, experiment. Get creative with your seasonings. Think outside the box. Roast your veggies with a sprinkle of smoked paprika. Add a squeeze of lime juice to your salads. Marinate your chicken in a blend of fragrant herbs. The possibilities are endless. All right, last but not least, let's talk hydration. Water, my friends, is the elixir of life. It's essential for absolutely everything your body does, from digestion to energy production to keeping you from feeling like you've been run over by a truck. Studies show that even mild dehydration can affect your mood, your focus, your energy levels. You start feeling sluggish, irritable, your head feels fuzzy. Not a good look, is it? So here's the deal. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. And if plain water is about as appealing to you as a plate of steamed tofu, then jazz it up a bit. Add some slices of cucumber, a few sprigs of mint, a squeeze of lemon. Get creative. Make it something you actually enjoy drinking. Remember, your body is made up of mostly water. Treat it with the respect it deserves and keep it topped up. You'll feel better, perform better, and look better. And who doesn't want that? Right, you lot. There you have it. 6 simple, evidence-based tips for healthy eating that even a donkey could follow. By balancing your plate, controlling your portions, snacking mindfully, planning ahead, adding plenty of flavor, and staying hydrated, you're well on your way to a healthier, happier, and dare I say, sexier you. Remember, small changes add up over time. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start with one small change, then another and another. Before you know it, you'll be cooking up a storm in the kitchen, feeling fantastic, and wondering why you didn't make these changes sooner.